Good evening. A deep freeze has finally lifted and it's feeling more like spring in our region. But many local businesses are feeling a deep freeze on their bottom line. That's after last week's lingering ice storm. CTV's Natalie Benroy joins us live now. Natalie, many businesses are ramping up with these warmer temperatures.
Christina, some expecting the phone to be ringing off the hook now that the warmer temperatures are here, but that delay also means a loss in revenue. This landscaping consultant also anticipating a rush of work, but it's not all good news.
Contractors already lost a month. That means there's a lot less time for them to work.
The late spring changing the workflow completely for his crew.
For maintenance, they already started working a month ago last year. For construction, about 2 weeks.
And it all comes at a cost. He says companies can lose a significant amount of money due to a shorter season.
That means that you're either going to have to work longer weeks or companies are going to charge more to recover that money.
The landscapers say not only are they working with the shorter season, but the ice storm also happened after their contract for snow had ended, creating chaos for both the contractors and the customers. Christina?
I bet. Thanks for this, Natalie.